They ignore me, they blue tick me, they don't pick my call, and what else can I do? I even text them. I just tell them, hey man, we've been friends. What you're doing is not good. If it's possible for you to change the name, I would really appreciate, because you know where we've come from. They ignore me. They really do. They don't care about me. They don't. And it bothers me a lot. So hey guys, George from Flashskaters, and I'm in Nyali. I decided to take a vacation for myself, treat myself. I'm in Nyali alone, and make sure you check out Nyali videos. I've done Nyali before. This is Mombasa, Kenya. But that aside, there's this, I have a concern to people and our followers, especially for those who are new here and those who don't know, or if you're watching us from outside Kenya. We have a shop, and Flashskater is a big brand. Let me tell you, it's a big brand. But before that, let me just show you where I'm staying. Look at all this. This is amazing, man. This is super amazing, and this is the bed. And it is super amazing. This is Nyali. But before that, serious talk. Flashskaters, we have a shop. It's a big brand. We sell skating shoes. You've seen our videos of us unboxing our products, also opening up new belts, But due to that, and also due to our good work and persistence, we've built a brand that is Flashskaters. Allow me guys to read this, because this is very serious. Due to our good work and persistence, we've built a brand. The Flashskater is a brand. It's a big brand in Kenya that not only feature high quality skates, but we've also nurtured some of the best skaters in Kenya. I will not lie to you. In let's say in every 10 skater, 2 has passed through my hands, or Flashskaters. We've inspired numerous of them, also numerous skaters and parents to start, and even some of them join skating business, because they see me like I'm doing this, and I started from nothing, and they've watched my journey, and they've really seen the growth. And parents and also coaches, my students decide, if George did it, I can also do it. It's all good. I wish them all the best. It's a nice thing. It's the best. Congratulations on that. It's not a bad idea. However, some of the individual, let's say a parent, and some of the students, some of my former student, have taken the inspiration to the extent of copying our name, or even tweaking our brand name, Flashskaters. Remember guys that these guys tweak Flashskaters, and on this one, like a big brand, let's say Gucci, for example, or let's talk about skates, let's say Power Slide, or let's say Flying Eagle, and then you get someone calling themselves Lying Eagle. Like, it's not bad, but it's deceiving in a way that you want to confuse people so that they can purchase things to you, like they can purchase things on your shop. I don't know how I can put it. Anyway, let's continue. However, some of the individuals have taken this inspiration to an extent of copying our name or tweaking our brand name for their own use. We are not sure of their intentions. We are not sure why they are doing this. We don't know why, and why they couldn't even consult us. We appreciate the love. We really appreciate the love. I will not lie. We appreciate the love. It's all good. We want everyone to win. We said our goal should be fighting poverty, not fighting each other. And due to that reason, we need to create boundaries, because you've all seen my journey. If you've never seen my journey, you go and watch my YouTube channel. When you go to YouTube, click Flashskater, search for the oldest video. and you'll see how we started. It hasn't been easy. It has been a crazy journey. It has been a very tiresome. We've been through. I've seen 99, my friend. What is 100? And then someone just come and want to play with my name. No, I will not take that easily. I will not take that. Anyway, let's continue. Therefore, now this is why I made this video, especially this paragraph. I'm going to read it all, and then from there we can talk and explain what's the way forward, because I'm really mad. This is so much, I can't take it. Therefore, we want to make it very clear that we flash skaters are not associated or affiliated with the first club, flat skaters, guys. Anyway, and there's a second company called Blaze Flash Skaters. Even me reading out these names is just, it makes me I get mad. I get so mad. Any business, this is to warn my followers and also my fan, that any business you're going to transact with them should not be linked to us. We are actively exploring legal options to address this matter. So let me explain this. So one of my students, I will not mention his name, he saw the brand, he saw the struggle, and he took the inspiration close home. Let me say that, he tweaked our name. Our name is Flash Skaters to his name, Flat Skaters. What is that, Manze? And he used to be one of my best friends. I don't talk to him. No, I don't. I will not tolerate that. I have built a brand here out of nothing. Now, this other second person, I will still not mention their name. It's a she, in fact. She's my best friend. She used to be my... I don't know if we're still friends, because she has been blue ticking me. I really don't know. She used to be my best friend. We've done business together. I have supplied the gears, skating shoes to her before. And I'm really disappointed. Blaze Flash Skater, seriously? What is that? You could have even asked me for a name. I have a couple of suggestions. We could have brainstormed together and come up with something nice, or even better than my name, than copying my name. That's literally copying my name, copying my brand. And you want to gain from that because you know this guy is really making it on this side. There are so many clubs. There are so many established clubs out here who does the same thing that I do. Why don't you copy their names? Why are you copying my name? Why are you copying my brand name? This is really sad. This makes me, I don't know. I've been down for the last, let's say, 1 week. That's why I'm even here in Nyali, to just reset and rewind. It has really gotten into me that people are really taking my kindness for weakness. I'm a good person. I'm an easy person. If you've ever interacted, you can comment below and tell me what you think. And by the way, if there's any of my followers who knows someone who can help me pursue this so that I can save my brand, I will really appreciate, because people are taking my kindness for weakness, and that is something that it really bothers me. It really bothers me a lot. I really want everyone to win, but I don't want us to be fighting each other. We should be fighting ideas. We should be fighting poverty, not each other. It's not worth it, man. It's not really worth it. I'm really disappointed to all those that I used to think they are my friends. They can come and do this to me. I'm so disappointed in you guys. Also, I think I've learned a lesson that from now on I should really be keen with people, because now they just want to joyride from what I've worked to build. It took me 13 years, yes, 13 good years to get where I am. I can say 9 good, let's say 9 serious years that I started skating like full time, and I turned into a business. You all know my motto. My motto is a rise and grind. But before that, my motto was building a hobby out of a hobby, building a legacy out of a hobby. I was inspired by Nasty C, I will not lie. Building a legacy out of a hobby, that is my inspiration every day, and the growth is there. And I don't mind inspiring anyone. I really don't mind. As I've said, we should fight poverty, not each other. But when you decided to copy me, that's really not good, by the way. And you guys, nyinyi ni marafiki zangu bana. Mbona mkanifanya hivyo? Mbona mkanifanya hivyo na nyinyi ni marafiki zangu? Kama mngetaka suggestion mngekuja niwapatie guys. I don't know what's happening to me. Yeah. This is so sad, and I decided to make this video so that in case anyone is scammed or anyone who wants to get clarification, because I'm sure you will come across those names, because they even see me succeeding on YouTube, and I'm sure they will start coming to YouTube too, and one or another you will meet them, and I'm not crying, guys, it's so hot. It's so hot, and also it bothers me that people want to play with my brand. Guys, if you know anyone who can help me, or if you can help me get a lawyer and pursue this, I will really appreciate. And you can tell me on comment section what you think, or what should I do, or what do you think? Is it a bad thing for someone to copy your name, or is it a good thing, or what do you think? Or I'm just overthinking. I really don't know, but I really want to protect my brand. I've built this from scratch. I have so many haters. I have crossed paths with so many people. I have seen 99. What is 100? And then you come here, you want to play with my brand. No, I will not accept that. I'm going to take legal action, and it's one step at a time. Because if I allow this, people are going to do it again. Another one will come up with something like, I don't know, flash skater with an U instead of an A. I really don't know. And it's better to be safe than sorry. So I'm going to try my best and see the way forward. Good thing is that I reach out to each and everyone who has tried to copy my name. And you know what they do? They ignore me, they blue tick me, they don't pick my call. And what else can I do? I even text them. I just tell them, hey man, we've been friends. What you're doing is not good. If it's possible for you to change the name, I would really appreciate, because you know where we've come from. They ignore me. They really do. They don't care about me. They don't. And it bothers me a lot. Maybe I'm kind. I'm too kind for people. I don't know, but it's okay. Anyway, that's it for this video. It was not that much. I had to put this out. I'm still in Nyali. I've had so many things going on right now. I really don't know what to do. I just needed this vacation and just chill, reset and rewind and bounce back. Yeah. Thank you so much guys for always coming back to watch my video. I really appreciate it, and I don't take it for granted. And I also want to say thank you if you are a returning subscriber. And if this is your first time joining this channel, my name is George. I travel and make skating video. I have done so many tutorials on skating. You can check. We have over 600 videos in this channel. You can check our previous videos to see what we do. Yeah, rise and grind. I'm really sad, but I don't know. That's what happened when God bless you. I really don't know. You tell me in the comment section below. Cheers. I'm still here in Nyali, and this place is so amazing. Let me show you this side. Look at this side. This place is so amazing. Anyway, bye bye guys. Subscribe, comment, like and share from this amazing bed.